The Jabiru is a large stork that lives in marshy areas, standing about 1.5 meters tall, with wings that spread very wide. Its strong beak is perfectly designed for catching fish, frogs, and small reptiles. The Jabiru walks slowly in shallow water and catches its prey by sensing even the slightest movement. The red and black part of its neck helps regulate its body temperature, which is why it can easily live in hot places. It builds a large nest on tall trees, and a pair will keep using the same nest for many years. The Jabiru is an important predator of marshy areas, helping to keep the population of local creatures in balance.